And good afternoon, my dear esteemed guests and subscribers. I am, of course, your dude, Lightliger here as always, and today we're gonna be talking about this NFT game which has been recently exploding in terms of its popularity and also in its price, called CryptoBlades. Now, CryptoBlades is a game on Binance Smart Chain. They are also launching on Wax, which I'm personally very excited about. Once the Wax release happens, I'm gonna be doing a separate video then, which might be more in-depth than this one. So let's kind of get started by explaining a bit about the game. So this is technically a play-to-earn game with a caveat, so kind of like some other very popular games like now Axie Infinity. You kind of have to make a bit of an investment before you can start playing. So the things you basically need to do is, well, actually let's jump into the game. So I will be using MetaMask to log into the actual platform here. They had a bit of a overload yesterday. And here I have my character, Ormalivirquez. Okay, I don't even want to pronounce that again. And basically, this is a character that is currently level 8. You start from level 1. And currently, the price for a new character is 4.3094 skill. And skill has been, well, to be fair, increasing in price quite a lot. We're going to be inspecting a bit of the price on ApeSwap, where I actually bought mine yesterday. And there might be opening window. Perhaps you want to wait till Wax version launches out before you want to invest in this game, or maybe you want to get in right now. Pay in mind, this does require Binance coin to play because you're going to be paying gas fees. But currently, the way the game is set out to be, your earnings are going to be larger than the actual fees. So what I've earned so far, well, actually sold some yesterday, like 0.6. And skill is currently priced at, let's open up a stable coin here so we can compare it into. So one skill is currently valued at $39. Now, I bought yesterday at $16, roughly around that price point. It's still not too late to get in, and because you can, basically the RYI here is, well, I would say a couple of days. Now, the way the game works, let's go back into the game itself. So, each character has stamina, which is 200. And you need 40 stamina in order to go into the combat. And by going into the combat, you will be fighting enemies. Everybody needs a weapon. You can buy weapons and characters from the market, where you will be finding them on a lower price. Maybe somebody accidentally sells a character for one skill or something like that. Be on the lookout on the market, and you can do different filters and everything. And you will be able to search by ID in case things don't work. And you also will be able to search via elements. So it's kind of like a, well, sort of a rock, paper, scissors type of a model here. So fire against is good against that, and blah, blah, blah. And the creating of a weapon costs 0.7. So what was the character cost? Something like 0. Okay, it's roughly around 5 skill in total, but you buy it from secondary markets, you're gonna be getting a lower price. Now, more your character levels up, so more combat battles you go to, more experience you get. And more experience means higher level, and the reward of skill from every battle is going to be also higher. Your stamina will, you get 1 stamina every 5 minutes. So basically, one battle costs 40 stamina, so I have to wait to get 6 stamina, so that's 6 times 5. So in a half an hour, I can go to 2 battles, and I will be getting skill from that. There's a lot of information. You just watch the video over and over again in case everything is unclear. There's other videos, obviously, about this. Now, one of the ways that they have kind of curved out the negative or the people dumping the skill, obviously, is that there is a tax meaning that when I earned something, and now I got 0.36, that is obviously above $10 now. So I'm in a very good track record right now getting my money back. I made 20 bucks so far, and my initial investment was like, I got a weapon for free from my friend, so shoutouts for you, man. But basically, you're gonna be paying 15% out of this sum, but you can wait for days, basically 2 weeks, and that will drop by 1% each single day. Okay? So there's a lot of strategy here. Then there is also staking, skill for skill, 11% APY, locks for 7 days though. Then there's the old skill that's probably not available anymore for buying, I guess. And then you have skill for VMB pool, which is 300%. That could be just not playing the game at all. Could be also a very lucrative way to play. But because playing the game only costs you in whatever the transaction cost is, the recoup of your investment, especially if the price goes up again from this point, which is possible, it's going to be topping out at some point. It has to. Then it doesn't matter because you're getting basically 10 bucks, maybe 20 bucks a day playing this game. So let's go back into the combat thing. We're going to be choosing the weapon we're going to be playing. And then there's 4 opponents here. And you're going to be seeing likely chances of winning the opponent. By choosing a tougher opponent, you get more experience. But also the very key component here is that you can lose the battle. Then you will not get any experience, you will not get any skill. So there's a chance that if you take, I'm taking this one for example, which is not good because water is good against fire. So I'm not going to be fighting a fire. I have a fire weapon. So I want to play against the earth because this is a very likely victory. This is also a very likely victory. But because the element is on my side, I'm going to be gambling this. So I will be playing fight. This will cost me 40 stamina and also the gas fee. And then you will be getting the results of the fight, what you will be getting. By the looks of it, I would be getting around 0.10 skill. And this, as you can see, the percentage goes up. I mean, the reward goes more up as more powerful your character is. How do I get my character more powerful? Well, that is by actually doing the experience stuff. So, okay, I won the fight. And I got 0.12 skill. Let's just put that number in so people like really realize. So the transaction cost was probably like 8 up to 30 cents. So I just got $4.8 from a one fight. And I can cash that out right now. Okay? And okay, I think my computer froze here. Let me refresh the page. Not the best timing. I really hate it when this happens, like the middle of the game. Now, the experience doesn't come by like normally, so you actually have to redeem it. This also will be costing you gas. And I think the gas fees are kind of good in a way because they prevent people, you know, there's investment, and more investment through gas fees kind of inherently increases the price of skill. And now I'm going to be taking this experience, and because I want to level up, don't take the experience after every battle. Fight all the battles and then do the redemption. That is the smartest way to do this, unless you're making like killer amounts of money. You're like super leveled up, I guess. But that's how it works. Now that I redeemed the experience, I'm gonna be refreshing again the page. Okay. And now we're level 12. My power is 200, and this is now my reward. So I double that basically. So 0.13 will be the reward I will be getting. And now I will be doing the withdrawal because I don't care about the 15% withdrawal. Now it talks about waxing. That wax bridge is, I don't remember it being open yet. I was something like that. So next, no thanks. So I will be, losing 0.07. I'm fine with that because the money, I'm going to recoup my money here in my investment because the price of the token is really, really high right now. And that's how I got my skill. Now I'll be selling that skill on ApeSwap. I think there's liquidity also on PancakeSwap. Obviously look into both, which have the best things. No, okay, now we have redeemed it. Here we have the balance. And going into back into here. The maxed amount, 0, 1 skill. Okay, we have to refresh. This is not the updated price. Let's see. Okay, and now I'm gonna be selling that amount that I just made today. And I'm gonna be doing that in USDT because we are in a bit of a bear market, guys. So you wanna be making, and that's how basically the money is made. And you can run your own calculations how much this is gonna be costing you to basically and you can do all types of things here, like wallet warnings and everything, extra stuff. We're gonna do another video about this, going into all this stuff, maybe more. There's some interesting people who have won a lot of battles. I wonder how many high levels these guys are. There's also people who have lost a lot of battles. And here's the weapons forged. So you can forge weapons as well, and then basically with skill if you want to. And then you can sell it for skill. And chances are that you might be... there are some limitations if you're sending an item to your friend. You cannot be trading it that for 24 hours. I'm not sure is that appealing for the forged items. Hopefully somebody in the comments can talk about that. But that's how the game works. It is elements of gambling, obviously, and it's a bit of an investment game at the same time. But it's interesting, and I aped in, and I'm happy about that because I've gotten a pretty good interest already for my money. Thanks for watching for this video. More play to earn crypto games coming out on the channel, obviously, among other stuff. So make sure you follow, like, share, all that stuff, so you're caught up in the loop with the latest shit. Thanks for watching. See you soon.